So I'm not a Punjabi, but everyone's a Punjabi by heart when it comes to food. Am I correct? Everyone's a Punjabi, right? So I am going to give one of the most famous Punjabi dishes, Chhole Kulcha, a nice twist. So today I'm going to be making Chhole fondue with a kulcha crisp. So for the Pindi Chole, all you have to do is boil some cholas with some tea leaves and they will turn out black just like this. So let's keep this aside. Don't worry, there's a detailed recipe of Pindi Chole in the description below. You can follow it to the T and this is how it will turn out to be. We'll take a bowl and make the kulcha dough. So for that, we have some maida, some baking powder, some baking soda and some salt. Now we'll add in all the wet ingredients. We have some dahi and we have some melted ghee. Dahi is very important to get the soft and fluffy kulchas. Now what we'll do is we'll add some water to this and make a dough out of it. Using your hands, just get dirty with it and just start making a dough. So keep adding water little by little so that it forms a perfect and smooth dough. So a soft and smooth dough is ready. As you can see, it's perfectly soft. We'll just keep this aside and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. So the chole has perfectly cooled down. We have to make a paste of it. We'll add this to the blender. Let's add in a bit of water. Let's close this up and blend it. And the paste is ready. We have to take a pan, we'll just heat it up quickly. We'll transfer this paste into the pan, grab a spatula, just cook it slightly for 1 or 2 minutes. And now it's time to make it a fondue. So let's add in cheese and mix it well. So our cheese is almost about to melt. Now we'll add in some cream and some salt to season it with and just give it a quick mix. So this is perfectly done. You can see the texture, it's smooth and silky. The fondue is ready to go. So now we'll keep this aside. For that, what we'll do is we'll take a tawa, heat it up slowly. Our dough has been rested for 15 to 20 minutes. We'll take a bit of it. So remember, we are making mini kulcha crisp. We can roll it out in as desired shape as we want to. We'll be using a ring cutter to cut it. Sprinkle some maida on the base, place the dough and let's just roll it out. So kulchas are usually thicker, but we'll roll this out thinly because we want to make them crispy. So now what we'll do is we'll take a ring cutter, cut this into small roundels. So if you don't have a ring cutter, what you can do is you can cut these into triangles as per your desired shapes and cook it on a tawa and make it crispy. We just need an accompaniment to go with the fondue. So our perfect round kulchas are ready. What we'll do is we'll apply some water on top. So we are applying water to stick the topping on top. We'll add in some coriander. So now we'll add some black onion seeds on top of it. And now we'll just put these here on a tawa which is preheated. So for the kulchas, what we'll do is we'll put some oil on top and just flip it over. So the kulchas are nicely done. We'll flip them back over and we'll just plate them up. Now what we'll do is we'll just plate up the fondue. So the candle is lit. We'll place the pot on top and we'll just transfer this into the fondue pot. Chop coriander. So our super delicious and super cheesy chole fondue is ready. So whenever you have a party at home, do try this recipe out and I'm sure you will love it. Until then, see you next time.